Having a constant pressure when out spraying is really important to have accurate applications.
The adjustable setting is really important for us because sometimes it's a single weed that we're trying to kill, and in other areas we need to do a blanket broadcast.
We can spray upwards of 20 feet with this sprayer, able to reach high up into trees and foliage. The electric sprayer just builds pressure right away. It's instant power, no more pumping.
We've got instant power and we don't have any surges.
We've seen a huge increase in productivity from the sprayer, just the ability to swap out tanks without having to clean them out.
We're able to go from one tank to the next and we don't have to worry about cross-contamination.